Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Dollar Tree haul and I have a ton of products. It's kind of a big haul for me. So I'm super excited to share some of these items with you. I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday and Dollar Tree is showing out. They have some wonderful things. On my face is actually a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. I'll have that video linked down below. And I bought some more new makeup, so I'll have another testing new Dollar Tree makeup video out soon. Of course, if you are returning my channel, thank you so much for coming on back and joining me. Of course, if you're new, my name is Jessica and I love to make a lot of dollar store and Dollar Tree oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that's your thing, you are definitely in the right place. I'll have my entire Dollar Tree haul playlist linked down below so you can binge watch more videos like this when you're done watching this video. And without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So the first thing I picked up was this little like waste paper basket. They had a bunch of different colors. I think they had like a mint green. I think they had gray. They had a couple others. I bought pink, and I actually bought this. If I bought it for home, I would have gotten gray or white. I needed a new little trash can for work. I work in a show, if you don't know, so I have like a little vanity area at work, and so yeah, we have a big trash can in the room, but it's like kind of far away from where I sit, so I like to have my own. This is a really nice size, and I'll put like a little grocery bag in there, or a bag from, or one of the Dollar Tree little bathroom trash can bags, and yeah, this is just a really nice little size trash can. So pick that up for work, and the pink is just beautiful. They have a lot of really nice spring colors out with their plastic baskets and things like that. They've just really upgraded those over the years. So yeah, if you love pink or green or like bluish green, all those spring fun colors, yeah, definitely head to the Dollar Tree because they have so many fun things. And I don't know that my eyelashes are even. I had a really hard time getting them on when I recorded my videos, so I'm just praying that they're not annoyingly uneven. So I needed a new one of these, and it's just one of these Scrub Buddies. It's a pot and pan brush, and this is a staple for me at my house. I have this exact thing in my kitchen now, but it's of course like worn, and just this one here is just so much more sturdy. And so yeah, I always have one of these. The one I have now I have had for a really long time. Every couple weeks I'll throw it in the dishwasher. Just nice to have. So finally needed to repurchase a new one. It was time. And so yeah, just a staple item for me. Then I was kind of needing another pot holder. I always pretty much buy these at the Dollar Tree, and I have two gray ones right now, and one of them, it's actually my fault, I kind of burnt it. Anyway, they're kind of wearing out, so I wanted to pick up another one. I thought this little design here was really cute. They actually had like sage green dishcloths, and they had like a different type of a pot holder. I'm partial to the mitt. I don't really like the little square ones. I've tried the silicone ones. Don't really like a silicone mitt very much. I like these. I just feel like I can grab what I need. I really wanted the sage green, but they didn't have a pot holder like this style. So I thought this was the second best thing I could get for my kitchen. I've got, like I said, the gray now, but I kind of wanted something different. So thought that would be really cute. And I did just buy one because I think I'm only going to throw away one for right now. So just wanted to replace one of my oven mitts. Then I have a lot of plastic storage from the Dollar Tree, and I had never seen this particular item. This is the vanity organizer. This is by Home Collection. And it comes up with these compartments. This could be good for pencils, makeup brushes, even toothbrush and like toothpaste. Kind of so I haven't decided whether I'm going to use this in my bathroom like medicine cabinet, or if I'm going to use it at work or my vanity here. But I did really like it. I had never seen this style before, and for $1.25 you can't beat it. This type of stuff is actually pretty expensive in like your TJ Maxx and Marshalls in comparison. So if you can find something at the Dollar Tree, I would say that would easily be $6 at TJ Maxx. So I thought that was a steal. Then I thought these were an interesting product. It's from the brand Surefresh. It's a reusable bowl cover, and you get two, and this is for like a round bowl. So I was intrigued. I don't know how much use I'll get out of these, but I did want to try them. So they've got like a sticky feel. So the idea is that, see, they kind of stick together. That's a good sign. Oh, they have a smiley face on them. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. So the idea is that you put these around your bowls, and one is a little bit bigger, one is a little smaller. This is the smaller one. And yeah, like instead of using plastic wrap, which is, it's a little wasteful, but it's annoying too, the idea is you can use one of these instead. Like I said, I don't know how much use I'll have for a product like this, but I did want to try them. So let me know if you've seen these in your Dollar Tree and have tried them. Let me know. Yeah, I'm definitely super intrigued. Then a while back, I had hauled some Hanes like tights. They were like a micro net or whatever they were, I think. And I've worn them. I did get a hole in one of them, but I still have another pair, and they're really nice. They have a control top, and they're like a nylon and a fishnet. They're like basically a nylon that has like a little fishnet pattern on them. And these are actually fishnets. So they had large, and then they had medium large. So I got 2 pairs of these right here from Hanes. And like I said, they're just a good old fashioned like a fishnet tight. So yeah, and they're a non-control top, which I don't really mind all that much. And the medium, large, the size that I got, like I said, they didn't have any small medium, but they had large, extra large, and medium large. These fit someone between 5'2" and 5'11", 100 to 165 pounds. So super excited to have a couple pair of these because these can be a little pricey. And they rip, so like with tights, if I don't have to spend a lot of money, the less money I have to spend on tights, the better. So I got some skincare products. Dollar Tree has really been like carrying a lot of Freeman masks, and I actually have 3 that I've hauled, and I got 2 more, you guys. I got the Rejuvenating Clay Mask. This has cucumber and pink salt. It says it's to refresh, and it also says it has no harsh chemicals and all that good stuff. So it's like a clay mask that dries and then you wash it off. Spoiler, I used this yesterday. My skin looked amazing afterwards. Then this is by Freeman. It says it's globally sourced from Japan. It's the Japanese matcha cream mask, and it's apparently detoxifying, has antioxidants to help repair and protect skin. So I have not used this one yet. I'm super excited. Let's see. Oh, it had a little thing on it, which is always nice. And it's green, as you can imagine, very spa-like. So excited to try that one as well. I really want to try to do like more masks. I just get so lazy with that kind of thing, but I really want to try to do them more. And now I've got like 5 from the Dollar Tree. So for the next thing for skin, they had more of this Amie brand stuff. So they have this Amie Naturally Kind Clear and Calm Exfoliating Face Wash. So it comes in this big container. It says it has white willow and green tea, deeply cleanses, it reduces oil and controls shine, it's dermatologist approved, it's formulated for oily skin and sensitive skin. It smells very spa-like, so I'm super excited to try that because I'm actually needing a new cleanser anyway. So, and that's what it looks like. I did not show you. So then this is the Soft and Smooth Cleansing Balm. It's got almond milk and safflower. Melts away your makeup and impurities, softens and conditions, dermatologist approved. It's formulated for normal to dry skin and sensitive skin. So I'm assuming this is like a cleansing balm. Seems really thick. I guess I'll use it to take off my makeup today and see how it works. So very great finds for $1.25. I also have a toner and I have some makeup removing wipes. And I haven't used either one of them yet. So definitely let me know what you think of these products if you've tried them. And I know, like I said, this is not a Dollar Tree brand. This is actually like a legit brand. So this here actually retails for $6.99 on their website. And this as well also goes for $6.99. And on their website, they have the wipes as well. Those are $4.49. And these, of course, they're cruelty-free and the majority of the ingredients are natural. So, you know, you can't really go wrong. So I thought this was super, super cute. And they actually had 2 different designs. I got the one with cherries on it. It's the Sassy Chic eyelash case with mirror, you guys. Look at how cute this is. So if you saw my walkthrough, they had another style. They had one that was purple with like eyes on it, like eyelashes, and it had like eyes on it. It was so cute. But I really liked the little cherry one. I thought this was absolutely adorable. And this will be great, like instead of having, you know, a couple packs of lashes in my makeup bag, I can just have this. So it has a place where you can put 3 different sets of lashes, plus it's got a mirror. How cute is that? Absolutely adorable. So excited to put some lashes in here and carry it around in my makeup bag. So Dollar Tree has like a whole bunch of like new like makeup sponges. They had some, if you watched my walkthrough, with like little animals on the package. So cute. But I thought this one here was really cute too. It has a little carrying case. It's just a makeup blender with this little case right here. It's vented at the bottom. So I guess if you put it in there damp, it won't mold. And they had different colors. I got pink, of course. But they had, I think, like They had a couple other colors. It's actually really soft, so I can imagine when it's wet, it's gonna be like super fluffy and super soft. So excited to use that. You really can't have too many makeup sponges. Then these here, they're from the brand Beauty Collection, and they're latex-free blender sponges. So you get 2 of them, and so they kind of have the flat edge right there. And again, they're pretty soft, not quite as soft as the other one, but you know, when you wet them, magic happens. This one has a pointier edge, and I don't know if this one was actually supposed to be like that and just kind of got cut off. But anyways, 2 for $1.25, you absolutely can't beat it. So one more item, and then I have a bunch of makeup. So this is the Sassy Chic. This is a 2-piece. It's the Precision Facial Razor. It's kind of packaged like e.l.f. Is that just me, or does that look like almost like it's like e.l.f. packaging? So I do that thing where I dermaplane my face, and these intrigued me. So we'll go ahead and open them up to see what they look like. So you get 2 of these. They come like this, which would be really great for travel instead of carrying one of the little razors. And then it comes out like that, and how cute is that? I'll be curious to see how they work as well, but that is super, super cute. Like I said, you get 2 of them. We'll see. I will definitely let you know. Okay, now for the makeup. So I've got a few items here. The first is this Be Color Glitter Eyeshadow, and this is the only shade I saw, but here is what it looks like. And I'm really hoping I'm not disappointed, because if you look at this, it looks so pretty in the package. I'm actually wearing a lot of Be Color, Be Pure makeup right now as we speak. And overall, the products are really pretty good. So here is the packaging. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, okay. It's got little stars and little hearts in it, and it's like super iridescent. Oh my goodness. You guys, oh my, I need to go back and get more. Look at this, you guys. The camera isn't even picking it up as pretty as it is in person. It's got that duochrome effect, and literally I can see little moons, hearts, and stars. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. I literally have to go back and get like another one, because, oh my goodness. Now I did that with my finger. I have a little, in person you actually see green and pink and yellow. I actually have a little thing, like a little silicone eye brush that puts on like glitters and like pressed glitters, creamy products like this. And that'll do wonders with this. That is absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to try this, you guys. You don't even know. Don't even know. I'm so surprised and so happy about how that went on. Super excited to try that. It actually was not impossible to get off. I still have a little bit of stuff on there, but those little things, they're so thin, like they don't seem really thick. The little pieces seem really thin. They don't seem really thick at all. Then they had a whole bunch of different shades of this right here. It's the Burt's Bees Liquid Lipstick. I just got one color because if you know me, I have a lot of lip products and I don't need to buy excess. So I just got the color that I thought I would like the best. I've never tried any Burt's Bees makeup. I like that it's double packaged. You know, nobody's been in it. That is always a plus. The packaging, of course, is really nice because it's, you know, it's Burt's Bees. This is the shade Sandy Seas 801. Has a little bit of a smell to it, but goes on really rich and pigmented. Super nice, really a really nice natural shade. Then I got this right here. This is the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Orange Shot. They had a few different shades of this. I just got this one here. So that's of course what the packaging looks like. That is stunning. That's exactly what I hoped this would have looked like. Look at that. It's like a really bright orange, like really like almost like a red orange. That is stunning. And I think it ends up drying down matte according to the package because it's a matte color. I'll leave it on my hand just to see. I got another item here. I think this is a Rimmel Wonder Swipe. It's an eyeshadow, I believe. 2-in-1 liner to shadow. This is in the shade Savage. I think they had a couple, I can't remember if this was the only shade or if they had more. So I guess it's like a liner. I would use it as a shadow. Kind of seems okay. It is a pretty shade. I just don't know with how thin the tip is, how easy that's gonna be able to use as a shadow, but we will definitely try it out and see for sure. I'm still waiting for this to kind of dry down. As of yet, it really hasn't yet, the lipstick. So I'll just kind of keep an eye out on that. So then this here is an eyeliner. It's from Rimmel as well. It's the Wonderproof 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. This is in the shade Sparkly Anthracite. It says shake before using, which doesn't really, okay. Ooh, that's really nice. Look at that. And you probably can't see it on camera. It's got a little bit of sparkle. The brush is really precise. I really like it. I'll be very excited to try that. And again, I'm still waiting for this to dry down. It has not yet. I guess I just blotted it a bit. Maybe that's the ticket. You have to kind of blot it. I don't know. The color's beautiful though, so I'm not complaining too much. Then I have another eyeliner. This is from Rimmel as well. It's the 24-hour ultimate waterproof eyeliner. It's in Smoked Emerald. Okay, it's a pencil. I didn't really know what this was gonna be. So it's like a crayon. Okay, and it's like a really, really, really dark green. And it's very creamy. I'm very excited, even though it's a really it's a dark, dark, dark green where it almost looks black with having darker hair. I'm gonna like green eyeshadow so much more. I've always loved green eyeshadow, but I didn't like it as much when I was blonde. So this is gonna be really pretty. It's gonna be really subtle. You know, it's a really dark emerald, but still it's amazing what those shades, just a little bit of color can do, just even a muted color. Then I get two more products. These are from LA Colors. The first, okay, I'm super excited about this, you guys. I don't know if you've seen this yet at Dollar Tree. It's the LA Colors bronzer, but get this, it's matte. You know the bronzers that come in this packaging, they're all shimmery and they've been fails. This is a matte version, you guys. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly. It says it's a natural look and tan. This is in Bronzed Beauty. I didn't see where they had another color, so I don't know if they have other colors, just not at my Dollar Tree. But I am so excited. So it comes in that packaging, like their highlighters and their other bronzers. And oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Now the only thing is if it shows up on my skin. So I'm a little bit tan right now, but it does. Look at that. That is a really nice natural color. I put it on the inside of my arm where I'm a little less tan. Oh yeah, definite color payoff. And it is matte. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try this. It's about time. Then the last product is the LA Colors Shadow Stick. This is in Champagne. It says it brightens your eyes. So this might be like a really nice little something for like a natural look to kind of brighten up your eyes. Just put on some lashes or like maybe an under the brow bone highlight, inner corner highlight. So of course, LA Colors has these really nice like crayons. And this is in the shade Champagne. I don't know if I said that. That's really very creamy and very nice. Look at that. I'm super excited to try this. I think they had another shade, and I do have some LA Colors crayons, but I was really intrigued by this shade when I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday. So super excited to try that. So I'll have a new video testing out some new Dollar Tree makeup here really, 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 really soon. If you missed this one, definitely check it out down below. I'll have some relevant content up here. Definitely go binge watch some videos if you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.